What if I told you there's a strategy on Pocket Option that can win trade after trade? And if you act fast right now, you can even get 50% bonus cash to trade with? Yes. If you close your old Pocket Option account and open a new one using my link below today, you'll get an exclusive 50% bonus on your first deposit. That means a $200 deposit instantly becomes $300. And the best part? When you sign up with my link, you join my private trading team, where I share free signal alerts, advanced setups, and strategies I never post on YouTube. Now, let me show you exactly how to win almost every trade using one of the most powerful strategies I've ever used. To make this work, you only need two things: a Pocket Option account, use the link below to get your 50% bonus, and a free TradingView.com account. Okay, so once you're inside TradingView, go ahead and search for the same currency pairs you see in Pocket Option. Just make sure they're not labeled OTC. These are the pairs that actually follow real market structure. And honestly, that's what makes this strategy really shine. Next up, you'll want to add the Trend Signals Indicator by Albo Alpha. It's totally free, has more than 2,000 users, and honestly, it's one of the most underrated indicators you'll find online. So here's how the Never Lost setup actually works. The indicator creates a gray trading zone, which is basically the market's comfort zone. The bottom line represents strong support, and the top line stands for strong resistance. So, whenever price breaks out of this zone and then returns, we actually get a trade signal. You should go call or buy when price dips below the zone and then re-enters. On the flip side, you want to go put or sell when price spikes above and falls back down. Pretty straightforward, right? Alright, let's place a live trade together. I'm entering a $200 call trade for 2 minutes here, based on a breakout and re-entry. And wow, the result is a $316 profit. That's really the power of this setup. It reacts to the strongest areas of price movement. Here's a pro tip to, boost your accuracy to the next level. Only take signals that line up with horizontal support or resistance levels. Most beginners lose because they just trade every alert blindly. But when you combine breakout signals with structure, your win rate really skyrockets. And remember, the more balance you have, the easier it is to scale profits. That's why that 50% bonus from my link is a game changer. Imagine this: $200 becomes $300. $500 turns into $750. That extra capital means more trades and, well, bigger profits. Want to go 100% hands-off? You can even connect a signal robot that scans the markets and sends trade recommendations automatically. When a signal pops up, just copy the asset name, paste it into Pocket Option, set the time for either 5 or 15 minutes, and place the trade. Let's take a look at some examples. A sell signal appears, and 5 minutes later, you've got a $164 profit. Another buy signal comes up, and once again, you're deep in profit. Even if you're a beginner, this honestly turns trading into a copy-paste system. Okay, let's do one final trade together. So, we just broke a major resistance and we have a strong buy signal. All the indicators align: breakout, structure, robot confirmation, trade placed, and yeah, that's another win for us. In this session alone, I've closed 3 trades, all profitable, using this exact method. And with the bonus balance from the link below, that profit could be even bigger for you. Okay, here's what you need to do right now if you're, serious about winning. First, step 1. Close your old Pocket Option account. Step 2. Open a new one with my link below today. And then, step 3. Make your first deposit and get 50% extra instantly. When you do this, you're not just getting free trading capital. You're also joining my private trading team, where I share exclusive signals, setups, and insights you honestly won't find anywhere else. This strategy works. The indicator works. And with that bonus and team support, you'll be trading with a serious edge from day one. So don't wait, click the link below, create your account, claim your bonus, and I'll see you inside. Let's go.